Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, y'all, I want to thank y'all. I want to thank everyone who has decided to be on this journey with me. I am coming to you all today to show you how to make a little ring using this stretch elastic right here. I was in Walmart some time ago, and they sell this. This is like elastic, stretch elastic, and they sell this in Walmart. And it comes in different colors. It comes in different, all different types of colors and with different type of designs and all that good stuff on it. So anyway, y'all, you're gonna need some of this. Okay, it's elastic. Oh, that's all it is. You're going to need yourself a nice piece of elastic. And this has like glitter on it. This is that the shininess and the glitter is what drew me to it. So you're going to need a piece of this. You're going to need some scissors. And you're going to need, we don't need any of this. And you're going to need some flat, these are flat pearl rhinestones. Okay, that's what these are. The bottom of them is a flat, and this is what you're going to need. Okay, so pretty much this is really simple. You want to measure your finger. Okay, you pretty much want to measure your own finger. So you measure your finger, and also you're going to need a glue gun, guys. Okay, so I'm going to cut about right there, and you just cut it. And then, and it's glitter, it gets everywhere, y'all. So I'm going to take my handy dandy glue gun, which is right here. This is pretty big. And I am going to just put a little bit, or try to get a little bit on the edge of this. Not too much. And I'm going to take this piece here and come over top of it, just like this. Okay. And that is glued in, y'all. Now the next thing I'm going to do, see my little ring? I am going to take my little flat pearl bead. Let me see if I have one that's got a little bit more. Yeah, this is a little bit more shiny. And I'm going to take this a smidge of glue and put it right on the end. Right on the back of it. Just a little smidge. And try to spread it over the whole piece. And then I'm just going to place it right over top. Just like that. And I put it over top of the piece that I glued together. And how cute is that? Look at that. Ain't that cute? You slide that right on your finger. Or whichever finger you prefer. And it's just really cute, y'all. You can put it on your thumb. And the thing I like about this too is that it's comfortable. It's comfortable, it's different. You won't see anybody walking around with it, that's for sure. Comfortable and different. Now I'm gonna also show y'all how to make a bracelet the same way. This would be the matching bracelet. The same exact way. You measure your wrist. Okay. Now I'm going to snip it. Just like that. I'm going to take and put just like I did with the ring. And I'm just going to put a little bit right here. Just a little bit, just enough. I'm going to take and bring this piece over just like that. Okay. And that's it. And that's all you do. Quick, fast, and easy. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of these on here. So I'm going to put this silver one. I'm going to put the silver one right here. Okay. And you can find these flat pearl beads at Michael's. So you can get them from Michael's. And then I'm going to add a gold one. Okay. A gold one. I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm going to add one more silver. I'm going to put that right here. Okay. And then you just let it dry for a few minutes. And then you put your hand in there. You put your hand in it. And look, how cute is that? Look at that. Look at this. And you've made something really cute, something really different, and something really unique. And you can wear, look how you can wear this though. You can wear it to the side. You can wear it this way. And then you got your little mansion ring to go with it. And you can make a couple of these. Like the sky is the limit. You can put it on your tip of your finger. Look. It's comfortable and gorgeous. You can also, if you want to, you can put as many, you can put these all over your whole entire bracelet. But gorgeous, y'all. And like I said, I did find this stretch elastic at Walmart. And it was around the holiday time when I found this. But look, I love this. This is gorgeous. Look at that, y'all. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to come to y'all so y'all could see this pop-up DIY special. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And I want to also, those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell on the side so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.